Hello there. So you wanna know how you can simply go ahead and check the current password on your Facebook account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. However, I would hate to break it to you. You cannot actually view your current Facebook password directly within the Facebook app or the website for security reasons. However, you can find it using your device's or browser's saved password feature if you have previously saved it. If you have saved it on your iPhone, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your passwords application right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and unlock that. And then when you click on all, your account is going to be right over here. So simply go ahead and find your Facebook account and then simply go ahead and tap on it and it will show you the password. It is as simple as that, but there's no other ways you can go ahead and do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.